Okay, friends, here's another thing you've got to see. Actually, you've got to hear. I just walked down the path, okay? Down the path. I'm just kind of walking, heading for the door. And here, listen, see if I can do it. See, I've got to just look and see how I did this before. Okay, I guess I just happened to walk here. No. Oh, here it is. Here's what I did. Okay, watch. You see that little twig? Okay, I walked by it. Hear it? I'll do it again. And maybe this time you can see it too. Here you go. Yeah, here. If I brush my hand with it. Ain't that cool? Let's see. Yeah. That is so neat. Okay. I guess I better get inside. So I've got to make some supper, but I don't know. I guess I got a thing for leaves this year. I'll see you later. God bless.